Hi guys, we're back with another video. And today we're transforming again. We're transforming. I have some unboxing to do and I just really don't know what to title this. We might do another. This might just be another wig transformation, honestly, because your girl's a little bit lazy. I should have done this, honestly, when I still had my makeup on from work, because my eyebrows have been coming out really, really nice lately and everything, but it's Corona season, and after I get back from work, I just want to freaking... Okay, girl. We just want to shower and, you know, get all the carnivorous off of us. I don't know. Okay, so last time I unboxed a cheap Amazon wig from Amazon. I learned a few things. Number one, don't put my bun up here, even though it didn't look that bad. Like the second time I put my wig on, because the other day when we went to Walmart to go like stock up for like you know, the what's it called? Shutdown or whatever. We're all gonna be like stuck in our house. What's it called? Why can't I think of the word? Quarantine. So we went to go like get waters and stuff. There's Bianca, by the way. She's over there. She's thriving. She's hanging around. Anyway, yeah, so like when we went to go do that, I wore Bianca for the second time, and I put my bun up here the way I did the first time in the video, but like I felt like you can tell a little bit more. So then I realized, hey, I think I've been seeing in the videos that everyone puts it like down, you know, like down here. That would make sense. Okay, I'm out of breath already. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, let's take a little... Look at how clear my eyes are right now. Wow, that's a lot of smoke. Like, I wish you could see how much. Like, it's just all in front of the ring light. It intensifies. I don't know. Anywho, let's get to business. All right, here she is. What are we gonna name her? I think we're gonna name this one Tina. Let me set you guys a little further back. Okay, this is Tina. She came in just like a bag like this, and we're gonna use a fresh cap just because the one that I used for Bianca is kind of loose already, and I have her up there and I don't want to get up and get it, so yeah. So yeah, let's put this fresh one on. It's my favorite part, you know, I love this look. That was so much easier than the first time, what the heck. Oh, but then I always forget to like put this behind my ears. That would help. So yeah, let's open her up. Come on, Tina. see how long she is, because I was kind of shook by how long Bianca was. She's a little different. She does have the part already in the middle. And she doesn't have bangs like Tina did, so I don't have to fuck around and cut her. She's so soft, you guys. Holy crap. Like, this is soft. My fingers are just running through it. And I know it looks super synthetic on camera, but like, she's obviously a wig, but like, wow. Tina was a good name for her. Anywhoosie, this is what the inside looks like. She looks a little bit different than Bianca. Bianca's is like a brown inside. This one's like a black net. I don't know. And let's see if she says tight as Bianca, because Bianca was tight. This is the part I need to get used to. Hold on. Put her under the bun. Should we do it going parted down the middle? I think so. Tina feels like a down the middle type of bitch. Oh, wait. I don't know. She's not sitting right. Oh my god, she looks so fake. Because she is, but still. Hold on. What can I do about that? About making like a super synthetic wig look? She's just not as tight as Bianca was. Oh, because there's like a... Oh, Bianca I don't think has this. There's like a... Hold on, look. There's like a